In example 8, we're told that the function below gives us the total profit, P, in hundreds of dollars for a company after producing and selling X units of a certain product. We want to find all X and Y intercepts and then interpret those points. To do that, we can flip over to Wolfram Alpha and ask it to find intercepts for our function. When we enter that command, it's going to find all X and Y intercepts simultaneously. So we have all three of those outputs shown, which means our X-intercepts occur at 806.982, 0, and 2899.02, 0. Our Y-intercept occurs at the point 0, negative 116.973. And now we need to provide an interpretation for those values. The first statement starts with the company spent. This is keying us into the fact that this is our interpreting our Y-intercept, because at a production level of 0, we haven't produced anything, sold anything. All we have is the money that we've spent to begin production. But to interpret that value, we need to remember that our value for P, or our Y coordinate, is given to us in, or is expressed in hundreds of dollars. So we need to take that value and multiply by 100 to get negative 11697.3, which tells us the company spent $11,697.30 to begin production. So when our units sold, produced and sold is at 0, we haven't generated any profit yet. The profit function is giving us essentially just the total cost, how much we had to spend to begin production. Which means our second statement is going to be interpreting the X-intercept. For these 2 points, we have a value of our profit at 0. So if our profit is at 0, that's a break-even point, meaning we've produced and sold enough items to cover the costs that we initially spent. So the company will break even at these 2 production levels. And since we can't produce a fraction of an item, we should just know to intuitively round those. So we'll break even at production levels of approximately 807 units and 2,899 units.